rice, our rice don boil. You see am? You see as the rice don boil. Oh yeah, make I wash am. Make I wash the rice sharp sharp. You have to wash the rice and remove all the dirt water from it. You go say na money. Area, how na dey? Wetin dey sup? What is so long? Guy, my pikin need money oh. I swear. I need money badly oh. I need money. Ah God. Everywhere yours dry, eh? Everywhere yours dry. Also not even dey pay. Now wow. My pikin need money oh. Abeg, if una see where dey for dey share money, una call me oh. I really need it. I really need money. Everywhere dry, can't pay. Me no understand wetin dey sup oh. Most especially this January and February. The thing, God, the thing it just dey make me dey paro. I go paro. Okay, make I remove small water. I don't want make the rice too done. Then on the electric, whether na gas cooker, make I carry my salt. How person go use this one? Person go use dey look for money. Money no dey gree dey come. Make I put salt. Okay. Money no gree come. Ego no gree come. Wetin dey sup for the house? Ha! I get wetin I wan use money do oh. Me I need money rice I dey here so I need dey go. Make I first cry first before person go see go this period. Shy. Dan borrow wake shenge. They will leave the rice, make suffering dey cool, make your suffering dey relax, make it maintain in life because later now me want maintain am for life, if you want maintain in life for inside this pot, I dey come back, no we can continue the food, na so it go be, na half now we take dey do the things dey go, half because it can't be like say all these waka dube wey person dey do so, the hustle wey person dey hustle dey go, the hustle no wan come dey pay again, no hustle everywhere yours right kakaraka. If I see human being, I just go sell and use and take make money. I swear to God, anybody wey just come close to me this period, I just go sell the person. I just use and take go make money. Na so the area go be last. Na so e go just be sharp. Make we maintain our life. Yeah. When they come back.